Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change a screen lock time on your iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need to go to settings. Scroll down a little and click display and brightness. Scroll down again and click auto lock. And here we can choose time. For example, 3 minutes. Go back and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.